Hi, I'm Madison. And this semester, I was the product designer on the UpFront team, and so I was in charge of sort of navigating through Samir's initial ideas to figure out how best to make that come to life. I used Figma to design, and next I'll walk you through all the screens that I designed for our group. So, just to preface, Upfront is a marketplace for landlords and investors where landlords get their money upfront and investors receive a percentage of that rent once a lease is up. So, you'll see I created two sides for our website. So here we are viewing the landlord homepage where it tells you a little bit more about the site, and then you can get started and create an account or log in. Then you connect to your property management software providers, and it gets all of your contracts that you have on those platforms. And you can click on your tenants where you can see all the information you already know. And then you can go back to List to Marketplace, and you can post your contracts to the marketplace so that investors can see. Here you'll see that you can list all your contracts, and all of those contracts will then go to the investor side where you can list all your contracts for investors to choose. You can also view your dashboard where you can see essential information regarding your contracts that are on the marketplace. Next, we will go on to the investor side. As you can see, you're clicking on investors. And then you can get started like the landlord side. And here it just tells you a little bit more information for the investors. You can apply to become an investor or log in. And then you can click on all of the contracts that you want to see and essentially purchase them.
Hi, my name is Fatima. I'm a software engineer on the UpFront team. What I worked on this semester was essentially bring Samir's ideas and Madison's design into the life. I built the website from scratch using the React, and now I'm going to give you a walkthrough and show you the work that I have done. So currently our website is hosted on the Heroku app, where anyone can type in just upfront.herokuapp.com and it will bring them to this landlord's homepage. Now we can scroll down and see all the relevant information, such as how to eliminate the tenant non-payment risk, how does it work, some benefits, and there's a footer. In our nav bar, once we navigate to the products, we can see the homepage for the landlord or the homepage for the investor. There's an FAQ where customers can find the frequently asked questions. There's also login where we can log in as either landlord or the investors. We're going to log in as a landlord. We also implemented a check where we want our customers to use a valid email address. Now we're going to type in the the password, and then we submit. We led to the landlord's homepage, which is still under the development, but once we click on a dashboard, we can see different metrics such as contracts outstanding, target IRR, and etc. The list to marketplace is still under the construction, but something we hope to implement in our next iteration. So in a sign up, we can also sign up and create an account using irrelevant information, but this is essentially it.
This semester, we all learned a lot. I can speak for the entire team when I say that we all learned a little bit more about collaboration, how to manage other people, how to work under a founder, and just generally how to build a startup. For me personally, I learned about design principles, more about Figma's capabilities, and how to deal with ambiguity. Luckily, it was an exciting challenge, and I learned a lot about what a product designer's job really entails. Moreover, Fatima and Mark, who were the software engineer interns on our team, they learned a lot about how to work with one another, how to split up the work more concretely, and they also learned React.
On the design side, what was challenging for Madison was dealing with ambiguity. Starting from scratch is never easy. Trying to figure out what Samir wanted and what would be actually good for the product as opposed to him telling her what to do. And for us software engineers, time was a huge factor. We did not have much time to bring the website to its full viability because majority of it we did dedicate into the research and designing a user-friendly website. Additionally, for me personally, what was challenging was learning React from scratch, but nevertheless, I learned a lot.
Hello, this is Mark. I'm also a participant in the Upfront project as a software engineer. Our future goals are creating a full working scalable online application that will be able to keep up with large network loads, as well as be reliable and fault tolerant, getting more data to support our mission and better the business output, as well as continuously adapt and overcome future challenges.